and everyone present here involved in the field of ICT. Now, as you all know that I'm a former police officer, ex-DIGP, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Director of Information Technology of Nepal Police. After my voluntary retirement from Nepal Police, I have been working most of the time volunteering social services and consultancy to enhance and uplift the females in the field of ICT. Alongside the same objective, I've been working as a chairperson of ICT, Women in Information and Communication Technology, as an executive member of CAN Federation, as a vice president of IIT, Women in Information Technology, as a vice president of IIT and executive member of CSRI, Cybersecurity Research and Innovative Center, as an executive member of CAN Help Nepal, and life member of JAN and CDMS, Center for Disaster Management System. I'm feeling very proud of myself today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Once again, thank you very much to all of you, and namaste.